This video investigates the aggravating and spooky instances of the truly several individuals who have disappeared in and around the Yellowstone Park. Worryingly, asks for FOIA archives on these individuals are being stifled and denied by the administration. What is it they are attempting to stow away, and where have these individuals vanished to? Ning.com reports. There is no record of any missing individual inside the National Park Service database, since they are rather trailed by neighborhood PD only, and these are generally little, rustic town PDs, not the bigger urban communities, or the main residences of the vanished. Solicitations for FOIA archives are being smothered. At the point when asked for by a distributed creator, to settle the cost of FOIA records as is the law, they are being surveyed up to $1 million assessments. This is unlawful. Sometimes, the legislature is level declining to discharge data. Additionally illegal, if no guiltiness is suspected. For the most part, these individuals are recorded as missing, assumed dead. The vast majority of these cases additionally include dogs used as trackers and pursuit agents. When given the fragrance, the puppies decline to look. At the point when the few are found, and are alive, they are regularly found in regions with swamps, briar patches, that have beforehand been sought widely, frequently with military SAR and Green Beret resources. They are found with all dressing evacuated, with a few kind of fever, and with a mental handicap. They are all age gatherings and the two sexual orientations. Crippled people also. A portion of the more noticeable areas are Yellowstone, Yosemite, Crater Lake, Mount Rainier, Lake Tahoe, Travis Zewig Pinyon Pines, Sierra Nevadas, Sequoia Kings Canyon, Glacier National Park, Rocky Mountain National Park, Adirondacks, Great Smoky Mountain National Park, Bindle Way, McKean, PA, Arkansas State Park. The state of PA and WA have the biggest number of missing kids by far. These are not abductions, they essentially have vanished. There are 35 group zones in the U.S. where the A-grade many people have been identified and no pieces of information to the disappearances have been found. They are simply gone. I viewed the whole video, and got chills. This introduction is by an ex-Leo detective, someone knowledgeable in missing individuals. It is totally unexplained, but the most chilling part taught me is the proof of a print concealed by our legislature of data about these people that they declined to discharge. It is definitely justified even despite your time to illuminate yourself. Something is definitely not appropriate here.